What's going on, guys? So I just literally got home, changed my clothes, and I finally got my wheels in the mail. It's been a couple months now. I thought I had to wait like 6 months, which I think is ridiculous, but my wheels finally came in, and I'm gonna unveil what wheels I decided to get for the 8thgen Honda Civic Si. I can't wait to share with you guys what wheels I got. The sucky part is I just got home, changed my clothes. It's like 20 minutes before 5 o'clock. And you guys know, with daylight savings, it's like 5 p.m. It's pitch black out here. So only have I have a couple minutes before it gets dark out here. So I only have a few minutes to throw the wheel on and basically check everything out, see how the wheel looks, look at the clearance for the spoon calipers in the front and everything. So I'm gonna try to knock that out right now and make it quick and have some daylight so you guys can see how the wheel looks on the car. I'm super excited about this. I've been waiting for this wheel to finally come in the mail, and now it's here. I'm glad I'm able to share this experience with you guys. Here is the SI with the Mugen GPs. I know some of you guys have been asking me what winter wheels am I going to be running. These are going to be my winter wheels. There's a reason why I got these Mugen GPs in the first place, because the stock wheels would not fit with the spoon calipers, but the Mugen GPs, which is kind of like stock wheels because they come on the stock 2008 Mugen Si, they fit with the spoon calipers. So going from 2 to a 4 piston caliper definitely is a big upgrade, and I definitely wanted to get some winter wheels that is really nice, but of course it's really light wheel and incredible. So love the Mugen GPs, but I would definitely wanted to go with something aftermarket for sure, something that makes the car pop. And I got to tell you guys, these wheels definitely is gonna make the car pop. Let me stop talking and hurry up because I'm running out of daylight. Alright guys, so I got everything I needed, the jack stand, the wheels that I'm about to unveil to you guys, and I got some extra stuff for the wheels so I can show you guys as well. But the sun is disappearing real quick. And the sucky part is, guys, it's like 40, maybe 39, 38 degrees right now. And the sun is about to go disappear in like 10 minutes. It is freezing cold, but I am super excited to see how these wheels look on this car. Alright guys, so the wheels are off. Super excited. Time to unveil the wheels, guys. Here we go. I know some of you guys are looking like, oh, I know what these are. Some of you guys are probably like, I know exactly, from Japan. Any of you guys read Japanese? Yokohama wheels. Uh-oh. Take all of this out. Another one, another one, another one. Oh guys, oh, some of you guys may know what these wheels are already, but some of you guys are in for a treat. All right, so let me show you guys the reveal. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Oh, all right guys, I got you guys. All right, let me reveal the wheels for real. So 3, 2, 1. Woo! Look at these. Oh, look at that concave design. 6 spokes. Look at that lip. That lip. So the lip is like a polished laser sketch chrome polished lip. So up close and I'm gonna show you guys when it's sunny. It has like diamond cut lines in it that makes it look like a polished wheel all around the rim. So, oh man, these things, I have been looking at these as soon as I got them, and I've been staring at them, and I'm like, this is one of a kind, sick design. So if you guys don't know, this is similar to like the RG2 and the RGD combined. So it's kind of like with the RG3 as well, because the RG3 has the cutout spokes. So this is kind of like this is kind of like a two-piece design. So if you guys think about it and look at the design, it's basically like a two-piece design. So it kind of have like that little chrome lip you'll get in a two-piece, and then it has the middle piece. So that's the design that Yokohama or Advance racing wheels, that's what they went with. Oh man, these things are they look so good. It sucks the sun is going down right now, but these things look good. Let me go get my phone real quick. So here's my phone, and as you guys can see, when the light hits it, you see that reflection. Oh man, woo, that is clean, guys. Man, I'm ready to get these mounted right now. Let's throw these on the car. The sun is leaving. I know you guys see it's getting darker and darker. Let's throw these on the car. So these, if I haven't said it already, these are the Advan RGD2s, and it's like a two-piece design combined with like the RGD2, the RGDs, the RG3 with the cutout on the side. So it's like a combination of the wheels into like a two-piece design look with that lip, that nice crazy lip. So oh, I can't even talk right now. I'm too excited. And also guys, I'm gonna show you guys the lug nuts that I want. I also bought some lug nuts. These are actually these Racing Composite R40 Revo closed-end nuts. So you can make them open-ended, and the ends could be closed as well. So that is a pretty dope freaking design as well. So these are actually black chrome, so they're gonna look sick with the combination of the wheel. Oh man, not enough sun, guys. I wish, and then I definitely want to do Vlogmas. It's been really crazy with work. Like, I'm getting home and I have like 20 to 30 minutes to do this, to show you guys, and it's dark already. Oh man, there's so much stuff that I want to do to this car. Oh my god, I gotta show you guys this. Oh my gosh, let me zoom out. They still got a bunch of room. Oh boy, these look good. The lug nuts look kind of nice as well. Oh man, these look nice, guys. These look so nice on the car. Oh my god, I know you guys are seeing what I'm saying. So if I didn't tell you guys the specs, so the specs on these are 17 by 8 plus 44 offset. That's the spec that I went with. And as you guys can see, it is not crazy aggressive. It is like perfect with the fender. It's perfect with the fender, literally, as you guys can see. Perfect with this. I can't even talk, I'm so excited. But it is perfect with the fender, guys. Perfect with the fender. Side skirt is right there. It is perfect, as you guys can see right there, right here. Perfect, right with the fender, no crazy poke, sitting real nice. And as I told you guys, there is a lot of clearance, as you guys can see right there. Let's go get these mounted right now. They look so nice. I wanted to go with something different with this car. I didn't want to go with RPF ones, or no offense to RPF ones. RPF ones is a nice wheel, but I wanted to do something different. I wanted to do something a little bit different than the standard wheels that you guys always sees. RPF ones, TE37s. I wanted to do something completely different that I have not seen anyone have. So I went with these, and these look freaking amazing. Oh man, these look amazing. But guys, right now it's a little past 5, and I'm just over here looking at the wheels. They look real Nice. And you guys can see the street lights hit on the lip, and you can see the reflection. Man, that looks good. The only sucky part is I wish I had got these wheels way earlier, because it would have been sick to rock these for 2018. But as you guys can see now, 2019 is gonna be promising. 2019 is gonna be a sick year starting off. Also guys, I wanted to add this clip in there as well. So this is how the center cap looks. I went with the full flat center cap. There's about 3 different designs for the center cap. I went with the full flat. There's another center cap that sticks out a bit more, and there's one that's look flat like this that sticks out a little bit more as well. But this is how the wheel looks with the flat cap design, and this is how it looks as van racing flow form Japan made. And get the lip again. So I wanted to add this in the video as well. And here is the valve stem. It comes with, it's all black, and then also it comes with the Van Racing RGD2 sticker that you can also put on the wheel if you decide to put it on there. So pretty neat, looks dope. Also got tires for these already, some nice meaty tires to go with these wheels, so cannot wait. Glad I added this into the video. Also guys, subscribe because there's more stuff for the channel. I cannot wait. And smash that like button. But I'm out. Peace. Thank you guys for watching. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, fire in the drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.